morning, good morning. Hey, so why did I forget my main camera? But I mean, my Ultra does pretty good on the videos as well. But I got my camera this morning because I went out of the house and didn't go through my checklist. So I always preach about the checklist, and I'm guilty of it today. But get you a quick little video. I don't have a full schedule because I still got a bunch of stuff to do for the business to get ready for the rest of the year and stuff like that, to do some little adjustments and stuff like that. But right now I got this Subaru STI. It's pretty clean on the inside, so we're doing a freshen up detail on it. It's stated on winningedgecarwash.com. Go check it out. But I'm gonna show you around it, and then we're gonna get it going and make it happen. See, it's not in horrible condition, just needs a little dust. The inside pretty well kept. Not gonna be too much to do to this, but shine it up. He said he getting ready to sell it, so he wants to make it look as good as it can be for photos and videos and pictures. So that's what we about to do. So I'm gonna knock this out, let y'all check it out at the end, and go from there.
Yeah, definitely looks clean.
Yay!
I'll see the engine there real quick.
Yes, sir. Like it?
Yep, I love it.
Good, good. All right, y'all see it. Another satisfied customer. Just finished up the Subaru STI. Gonna go complete the rest of my day. What's up, y'all? So today I forgot my main camera, so I wasn't filming as much as I normally do. But we're gonna try to get a little bit of something here and there for the rest of the day. Munchie, hey! This dog never fails. Always running in the streets. Munchie, get in the yard, Munchie. Munchie. That's crazy. Hey, I see why she run up to your truck. How you doing?
Good, man.
Good, good. I'm gonna get it. You can get it. You good? You can go. Yeah. Munchie, let's go. Damn, my dog getting food from the FedEx, man. Get in the cage. Yeah. Anywho, so man, today was good still. My guy Joe did a job up in Chiefland. It was a big job. It was a dually. So that was a good chunk of change for the day. I ended up doing the STI, the Subaru, earlier today, but the beginning of the week, it always kind of be slow. I won't say always. It just depends on how the wind blow, man. With car washing, one day you could have like this slow day, and then you can think that you can expect for it to be slow that next week come around or whenever. But man, it's so sporadic. A lot of stuff happens to where people just all of a sudden get their car dirty and they'll hit you up or whatever. I had somebody hit me up today, saying somebody threw up in their car last night. Now, I've did those jobs, but just know I'm gonna tax you. It's $500-600 to do that off the rip. So if you thinking about calling me and that happens, it's gonna be high. So I got some of them calls today, and got a lot of stuff set up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be slam packed, busy. I'm gonna be moving from start to finish. It's gonna be a crazy day. I gotta go pick up my daughter hour away and stuff at the end of the day, so it's definitely gonna be a lot going on tomorrow. But in the meantime, in between time, I don't really have too much that I gotta do to get ready for the next day, because I only did one vehicle, and then I just focused on grabbing new customers, getting in contact with old customers and all that stuff today. So, you know, like I say, the rest of the day I'm about to go get fresh, get up out of these Winning Edge Carwash work clothes and stuff. We at the house and we about to go hop in the shower. All right, I'm back. Done got out of the shower, got freshened up. About to slide. Let's see what this is. Take care of that business real quick.